You know the vibes. Let's go. Hey, let's race. Let's race. Yo, bike life is real, bro. 50 bike life real right now. Let's go. Yes, sir. What is up, guys? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got 50 squad out here, and we're shredding. Woo! Let's go, bro. You already know we love the 50 vibes. Pull her up! He just got his 50, and he has like new tires on and stuff, and his bike's a little rough right now, so don't judge. Let's go, 50 life out here. Woo! And he going to, okay, let's go. You know the vibes. Let's go. Hey, let's race. Let's race. Let's go, bro. Look at the view we're going towards. We're just chilling in the wheel ski, coast it. It's scary. Yes, sir. Flipping by, boys. Man, this is why you all need to get a 50, bro. You get a little squad in your hometown and just be vibing, bro. Straight vibes on the 50. my bad boy is fast. Oh, I almost did a hand drag. Oh, we're hitting the trails, boy. Let's go. Pit bikes off-roading. That's what we like to see. Oh! I'm coming. Whoa! Never mind. Ah! Bro, this is a sick little track. Oh! my gosh. Freedom. Freedom at last, man. Oh, this bumpy road was really hurting my booty. Oh! That was this close to loop, this close. Oh! No hander. Man, I always talk about how happy I am I bought this 50, and I'm literally gonna bring it probably to New York with me, which is gonna be freaking dope. Yeah, there, swagging. You're crazy. A little 50's taking over. Sheesh. Let's go. He really chilling. Oh, you mean it went to stand up? I think I missed it. Holy crap, that was sketchy. Bro, trails on the pit bike.
I was ripping to that sugar cane. Oh!
Bro, how?
You gotta keep that momentum going. Stop it.
Bro, my front is like wanting to squirt.
I just look at you and you're just sliding going, dude. Like, what the fuck? On the street tire.
Let's go! Coming in hot, let's go. We're back at the whips now. Gang, I hope you enjoyed this little 50cc. We're posting bangers going to New York the 9th to the 30th of June. So hit your boy up. I freaking love you. Merch in the description down below. Let's pull one little. Oh, he's sliding around. Yes, sir. Peace.
Where were you when I was down and out?